Hello and welcome to Weather and Climate. This is the Blackboard tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to navigate around our Blackboard site. So it'll help you navigate this course. So obviously we've got quite a bit of information along this site. So right when you come in, you'll see the most recent announcements, and the announcements will stay up throughout. So you can see the one announcement that we've got so far in this course, as well as the standard COVID-19 announcement. Then we can go into, so obviously it's the beginning of the course, so we can go into what's called Start Here. And this takes you through a few important things. It has links to the welcome letter and syllabus. I really recommend reading those. And it goes to the pre-class checklist, basically what you should do. Read the syllabus, go through the software testing, make sure Blackboard is working, make sure you can work with .doc, .docx, and PDF files, because those are going to be the main types. When you submit things to me, I prefer .doc, .docx, or PDF. Other file types can be very, very difficult for me to open, particularly later in the semester when I deploy to Antarctica, and that will be problematic. It gives my contact information, which is very useful, and that can be found here in the instructor contact. I'll click on that so you can see just a bit of information about myself. Then we go into, check compatible browser, make sure all the software is working. This is the time when things are going to break, and anytime something breaks technologically wise, contact me right away, because we can find a way to fix it, or if things really aren't working, you can get an extension on things. Better to find out now that things aren't working and get it fixed, and when things do break, because technology always breaks eventually, we can work on that together. Then read over the participation guidelines. Oh, and I noticed that it indicates due dates for most times will be 12 noon on Fridays. That's incorrect. It's going to be midnight on Saturday. I will correct that and update it. Anyway, student profile and pre-class quiz. Some of you have already contacted me. The pre-class quiz was not displaying properly. I've corrected that. Similarly, student profile. These can be found pretty easily. So for the pre-class quiz, you just click on this link, and it'll take you to the quiz, and then you can take the quiz. You can also back up for student profiles. Again, on this left side where a lot of things are located, you've got student profiles. If you click on student profile, you'll be able to see you'll be able to add your own profile by creating a blog entry. Now on a week-to-week basis, where the majority of the information you're going to need can be found right here in weekly assignments. Basically, you'll have links to journals, links to the current discussion board going on, and links to the various weekly activities. And this will allow you to click on links to get to assignments, to upload them, other access to the quizzes when they're available, and other work like that. If you want to directly access the journals, again, they can be found on the left, similarly with the quizzes and the discussion section. When we get to the essay and final projects, or final test if you choose to take it, they will be located here in the essay and final projects tab. Finally, one very useful thing to see due dates and other information is the calendar. You can see the pre-class quiz is due September 3rd. And you can go a little bit ahead and you can see that week 1 will be due on September 10th. This will be a rolling structure, and this will fill in with due dates as things become activated. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.